Hey everybody, welcome back. I just want to show you real quick how the vegetable stock turned out. It is delicious. I kept a jar out for a dinner the other night. I put it in some mashed potatoes, and it is really strong tasting. It's very aromatic, really delicious. So I'm really happy on how this turned out. The only thing I'm not happy about is that I didn't have a good enough strainer, because this time I chose to strain it and take all the chunks of vegetables out after I use the immersion blender. So there is still a little bit in here. You can see by the light. Oops, let's see, just saw it. I think you can see it. Yeah, I just had it. Well, you can see that golden color. It's a nice golden color. That's one that has, oh, there you go. You can see the light shining through there. A little bit of sediment in the bottom, but not a whole lot. I mean, I got most of it out. Yeah, just a little bit. But they came out delicious. The sediment on the bottom is just an added bonus because the nutrients are, there's more nutrients in there because I left more pieces of vegetables in there. Sorry, I've got my roasting potatoes in my air fryer and it just started popping. So I need to go. But I just wanted to show you how this turned out amazing. So if you guys want to learn any other stocks, let me know. And we are going to be doing another giveaway. This time it's going to be a canning funnel. So stay tuned for that. See you guys soon. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. That's how you're eligible to become a winner in my contests. Yes, we are a little bit behind, but no worries. We will catch up and there will be 20 different things given away. Thanks for watching, guys. And please share my channel